Yo, one thing me I go say, you see the girl with Skilly Bang I pose with in the pic. Brother, if I your girl, me I go big you up. If I your girl, you understand me I say? And me only I say this to say that most of these Jamaican girls, most of them only want you for your money. You understand me I say? Them only want you because there's a hype around your name. You understand? So me see some people come out and come talk about why these Jamaican men, as soon as them start make money, them left them day one and gone there with another girl from other countries or blah 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 blah. But you don't understand, Yo, majority of the Jamaican girls them are some dirty jankro. You understand me I say? Majority of them are some dirty jankro. If nothing not go on for you, enough of them don't even see you. You understand me I say? But you know what I realize with most of these Jamaican girls, it's like them can see the future. You understand me I say? And them can see a youth and know say a youth have talent and know say yo, maybe one day the youth they go bust and start make a bag of money. So them can issue themselves for you and I'll give all a one youth. You understand me I say? But enough of no Jamaican girl who don't even understand. Say man are no fool, The real man them are no fool. Cause you still have some real man in the Jamaica, Where them are no fool. You feel like enough man have some girl in the Jamaica and know say yo, the girl don't really want them. The girl want what they can get, what you have to offer them, and that them want. Not found a girl in the Jamaica have some man who don't want the man. Who just want what the man have. You understand me I say? So me just say this to say that if you're a new girl that's Skilly Bang, pick up yourself. I don't give a fuck about your baby mother. You understand me I say? Because if you and she really split, you must know why you and she split. You understand me I say? But me know from my own experience, Jamaican girl them are jankro. Some dirty jankro. Not all of them, but majority of them. Some dirty jankro them. You understand me I say? Yeah man, Jamaican girl them don't believe in a love, Them only believe in the love for money and the love for where you can get them, where them can gain from you. That's all them believe in. But them don't believe in a love. No love no exists in a Jamaica again. You understand me I say? That's why me have to respect all vice cartel, Me have to respect all vice cartel because yo, one thing me can tell anybody, See them love the man they gone to bed. Not saying that other women never love vice cartel, But sometimes you have to just stop and think for a minute. I wonder if them did really love Adidja Palmer or them love vice cartel. These are the questions we need to ask. Jamaican woman them have some dirty Craz mind. You understand me I say? Enough woman there in Jamaica right now, them not there with a youth who have a little 9 to 5, Me not ask Christ. Enough girl there in Jamaica right now, them not there with no man who have a 9 to 5. If you're not scam, if you're not rob and thief and make a bag of money, or if you're an entertainer, dog name yourself and you not get some girl. Remember that. Yeah man. Me, that's why I'm glad the day when me now have a bombard hook up and catch up myself with no Jamaican girl. You understand me? I say, because me I tell you say yo, since me come to America, me know what real love feel like. Since me come to America, I'm out.